Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins with the closing market minute for Friday, March 28th. Soybeans ended the session higher, seeing spillover support from a rally in soybean oil, which was up on global demand expectations, while continuing to get ready for the USDA's quarterly grain stocks and prospective plantings numbers, which are out on Monday, March 31st. Out of the report, most analysts do expect a year-to-year decline in U.S. soybean acreage against higher quarterly stocks. Corn was mixed, mostly lower, consolidating and getting ready for those USDA numbers out on this upcoming Monday. Most analysts do expect an increase in U.S. corn planted area. The question is how much. Most analysts are expecting about a 3 million acre increase, if not larger than that, but there's always room for some surprise. Quarterly corn stocks are expected to be below a year ago. And wheat closed lower, primarily on forecast for some rain in parts of the Black Sea region and the southern U.S. plains. Overall, wheat acreage should be up on the year, led by a rise in U.S. winter wheat planted area against a slight decline for spring wheat. Live and feeder cattle were down on technical selling, waiting for direct cash cattle business to occur. Most of the week's trade did wait until after Friday's close, but the early reports were sharply higher than the previous week's prices. And hogs ended the session mixed, adjusting spreads with cash steady to lower during the session and pork higher at midday. There are some expectations for improved pork demand in general, but that's actually going to have to follow through. USDA's quarterly inventory numbers from Thursday were a little bit bullish, but not enough to sustain some early gains. With the closing market minute for Friday, March 28th, I'm Brownfield commodity market reporter John Perkins.